Hi, my name is Deborah Fowler, and I'm going to be talking about instancing lights in Houdini 18. So to start with, we'll go to the Solaris desktop. I'm going to create a light, and I'm going to copy to points. Now, in fact, copy to points in this context is an instancer node. So if you look at this, it's an instancer node. I'm going to jump inside and give that some points to copy to. Go down a grid, change rows and columns so that the lights aren't too close together. And that gives us our lights, but we don't see them in the viewport. The reason is we need to change use entire stage to be off, and there's our lights. Okay, so now let's assign a grid, a shader, so that we have something to light. Go ahead and create the classic shader. And for now, I'm going to turn off reflections and turn on diffuse, make this pure white. Up here, I'm auto-filling my material so that I can easily drag and assign my geometry. Let's merge those together. And let's also move the lights up. We can either move the source points or we can move the light itself. It's going to move the lights themselves. And so now they're above. And we have our lights on top of our grid. Let's make our grid a little bit bigger. And go back up. You can see if we turn this to Karma Beta, we now have lights illuminating our grid. That's instance lights. We can also override properties on those lights. So if I dive in here and create an attribute randomize to give us color lights, let's just change this. In here, we're not seeing our colors because, again, on the copy node, we need to add CD. And now we have lights. Let's just make the intensity of this a little bit brighter. And you can see that we have lights illuminating our grid, and Karma is chugging away. So that's instance lights in Houdini 18. One other feature that I'll note is in Karma Beta, much like in Mantra, you can set a radius, which is the extent of your light, so that you're chopping off the computation at that point. So that can save you render time in the long run. Okay? And that's it. So thank you for watching.